Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to give you this exclusive tour of the Glen Ridge model home by Ryan Homes. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Lisbeth Rios. I am a real estate agent here in Orlando, and in my channel you will find home tours, neighborhood tours, and general information about Orlando. You will be able to find the Glen Ridge in different communities throughout Central Florida. This property features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a little bit over 1,800 square footage, and 2-car garage. The lanai is optional and you can choose on your design meeting. Once you step inside, you'll notice how open and airy this layout feels. Time to head upstairs where we can find all of the bedrooms, a loft, 2 baths, and the laundry area. Who wouldn't want to have a movie night every Friday in this lovely loft? This is the second full bath in the whole house. Now entering the master suite where we have the master bath. This is one of the full baths available in the house. Okay, so we have another look of the master suite, and here is the closet space. Another one, maybe his and hers, you name it. Well, there you have it. That's our home tour of the Glen Ridge model home, and this is a look at the community where this model home is located in Davenport. I have another video of one of the homes available in this community. I will leave a link to this video in the description box below. As we drive through the neighborhood, you can take a look at the amenities like the parks and the pool. When we recorded this video, the pool and the playground were still under construction. As you can see, it's gonna look pretty cool. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you back on the next one.